Welcome to Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen. I'm Jessie and I'm here with Charise from Gardner YouTube channel, and she's going to make a chef salad for us with fresh ingredients from her garden. Welcome.
Hi, thank you very much for having me. It was very nice of you to ask me to join. I just started Gardner Keep back in 2020. I grow mainly in my greenhouse. I do have a couple outdoor gardens, but it's winter in Arizona, so I grow in the greenhouse. We're gonna cook our salad today. This is all lettuce that I grew in the greenhouse. This is just crisp leaf lettuce, and then we have the romaine lettuce that I grew as well. And in our house, we try not to waste a lot, so I do use the leafy greens out of my beets and out of my radishes for our salad, and those are our main greens that go in there.
This is going to be so good. This lettuce is so pretty. And you don't use any pesticides or anything like that?
I don't, no.
And we're using this huge bowl to make a big salad. This was hand painted by my grandmother, and so it's a very special bowl.
That is beautiful.
Well, let's put it together. So do you want me to tear up this?
Yeah, so real quick, we'll just tear up all this lettuce. You can dice it or tear it up, either way.
And what kind am I tearing up now?
So that is the romaine lettuce, and this is just the leaf lettuce. I grew all of this lettuce from an assortment of lettuce seeds. That's why I always have to think about what it's actually called, because the lettuce has 4 or 5 different types of lettuce seeds in it. We do compost probably 90% of what we don't eat in our house. We do throw some stuff away. The boys get lazy, and instead of putting it in the compost, they'll put it in the trash can. I'm just gonna finish. I brought a lot of lettuce today. And this was just 2 heads of lettuce out of my greenhouse. I have probably 8 or 9 more, and I will reseed it now that it's big enough that I have started pulling it up. And I pull up the whole plant. You can take and cut just a few leaves off at a time. If like you're making 3 hamburgers for dinner, just go out and pull off 3 leaves instead of the whole head.
So you're growing this in winter in a greenhouse?
Yes.
And what happens in summer?
In summer, my greenhouse gets incredibly hot. We're talking 110, 120 with the shade cloth on. If I don't put the shade cloth with all the fans, it's 140, 150 if it's 100 degrees outside. So it does trap a lot of heat. That's why I can grow in Arizona in the winter, because even if it's 40 degrees outside, my greenhouse can still hit upwards of 80 degrees. I actually have just discovered I cannot grow spinach in the greenhouse because it bolts and it flowers in like 15-20 days of coming up. So
interesting.
Yeah,
different growing.
It is. It's all been a very interesting learning curve.
So these are the beet
Those
greens?
are the beet greens, and you can tell because it has, I'm gonna pull this one out of here. It has the nice purple, I don't know if you can see that.
Beautiful.
The purple leaves, the purple stem in the middle of the leaf.
Which makes it so pretty. And this is the
radish leaves.
Radish leaves. I don't know that I've ever had radish leaves.
That's what my husband told me about the other day, and I'm like, oh, you've eaten them, you just didn't know you were eating them, because they always go, I put them in the salad, so.
These are the radishes that she brought. We'll sprinkle those in. And what's your favorite thing about gardening?
Just the joy I get out of it. As a nurse, I was always crazy busy. There was constant noise around me. When I go out into my garden, it's quiet, and you can hear the birds and you can hear the bees, and it's just so calming to be outside in nature. So
we need that more.
We do.
And this is give me the beet.
The little bitty beet. The one little beet. Like I said, they are struggling. I've got probably 40 of them in the garden, but they just don't want to finish growing. Carrot's perfect.
I've got some shredded carrot. I'm going to add to this beautiful salad. And some chopped green onions.
These poblanos are actually a little bit spicy because I think they crossed with one of my jalapeno plants. So, but they're really good. They're not crazy hot, but they are nice, and they're bigger than like a jalapeno.
Wow.
So they are beautiful.
And they're so good with the hard-boiled egg that we're adding.
We started this in my greenhouse last winter, so winter of 2021. It was December, January, and it was still alive. It made it through the monsoons and the crazy heat, so I actually dug it up and potted it and then put it in my greenhouse, and it's making pau blanc.
We've got some chopped up ham, turkey, cheddar cheese, and Monterey. I'm gonna add that in, put the meat in first. And then we'll have to, I think we'll probably want to toss this together. What do you think?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And the cheeses. I chopped a lot of cheese because I was hungry.
I'm starving right now. I was like, this is huge and looks really delicious.
Yeah. Gonna add in a little salt and pepper with my fancy new salt and pepper shakers.
Oh, it's electric. That is pretty fancy.
Electric. Let's see, yeah, this was one of my Christmas.
That is cool.
I'm gonna add a little bit of Thousand Island dressing. It's my favorite dressing for a chef salad because it blends so well with the egg, but it also blends really well with peppers. Love peppers in my chef salad. Here's our beautiful chef salad with homegrown ingredients. This is such a treat. I'm so looking forward to trying this out. Thank you, Charise, so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for bringing us all these wonderful ingredients.
You're very welcome.
And please, everybody, check out her channel, Gardner Keep. There'll be a link in the description box. And check out all the channels that are in the collaboration for 7 days of salads. Are you going to be making salads?
I'm hoping to. Yeah. I plan to at least do a couple. I may not get all 7, but we're gonna try.
Please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. We're always creating great new recipes on Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen.